Lucy here at AO. Did you know that you can wash your trainers in the washing machine? These are my everyday shoes. I wear them for running errands, walking the dog, going shopping, and as you can see, they get dirty pretty quickly. Not so white anymore. Check the label or the QR code inside the shoe to make sure that they're suitable for the wash. If you see a little tub symbol filled with water, that's great. It means your shoes are machine washable. If the tub symbol has a large cross through it, it means it's not suitable for the washing machine. Leather, suede, trainers with light up components, boots or dress shoes shouldn't be washed in the washing machine. Remove the laces, and if removable, the inner soles too. You can hand wash these separately. We're going to brush off any dried mud so that it doesn't clog the pipes. And then place both shoes into a mesh laundry bag. To wash your shoes, add padding to your washing machine. For example, a couple of towels. This is going to absorb the impact of the shoes tumbling around. It's going to protect the shoes, the drum, and it's going to make less noise. Choose a low temperature and a gentle or hand wash slow cycle. You want to avoid fast spins and avoid hot temperatures because it can damage the shoes. Once the cycle has finished, remove your shoes from the washing machine and let them air dry indoors in a well-ventilated spot. Now what you want to do is stuff your shoes with white paper towels so that they absorb moisture and keep their shape. Don't tumble dry your shoes because the heat will cause them to shrink. Your shoes are going to take between 12 to 48 hours to dry. Once they're dry, take out the paper towels, pop in your insoles and your laces, and you're good to go. And there we have it. Your trusty trainers will live to see another day.